everyone. So the success ladder has here up with another video, that is multiplication of two-digit number by two-digit numbers. That means we'll be using two numbers in which two digits are there. So let's begin. So the first one, it is 23 multiplied by 12. So 23 multiplied by 12. So after that we'll be arranging it in the column. So 23, I can write it as 2, 3, 23. Then I'll be using multiplication symbol here down, and I'll be writing 1, 2, 12. After that I've sketched a line. So keep that thing in mind that we have to write one digit below the another. After that we'll be writing correct places at the top. So this is ones place and this is tens place. Now after this we'll be multiplying 23 by this 2. So first we'll not look at this one. We'll be just multiplying 23 by 2 like we do in 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication. In the previous video, I have already showed you that how we can multiply 2 digit by 1 digit. So similarly, we will multiply this 23 by this 2 and we'll not look at this one right now. So we will multiply 2 by this 3. So 2 3s are 6 and I'll be writing down in the ones column. Then again this 2 I will multiply it by this 2. So 2 2s are 4 and I have written this 4 here. So now I have done one step. The first step I have already done. I have multiplied 23 by this 2. Now I will look at this 1. So I have to multiply 23 by this 1, and if you look it carefully, this is not 1, this is actually tens, because it is at the tens column. So this is actually tens. So here, but before multiplying this 23 by this 1, I will cross this ones place. Either you can put a cross or you can put a 0. Anything you can do. You can either put a cross here or you can put a 0 here. Both have same value. So why we put a cross here? Because here we are multiplying it by tens. So we are closing ones column here. Yes, because while multiplying the answer will be more only. So we are multiplying here by this tens. That's why we are closing here the ones column. Okay, now I will multiply this 1 by this 3. So 1 3s are 3. And I'll be writing down here. So this one I have multiplied by this 3. So 1 3s are 3. And I have written it below the tens column because I have done the multiplication that is in the tens column. Then this one I will multiply by this 2. So 1 2s are 2. And I'll be writing this here. And after that I'll sketch a line. It means first I have multiplied this 23 by this 2 and the answer is in this row. 23 2s are 46. And then I have multiplied this 23 by this 1, that is in the tens column, and the answer is in this column, the last one. After that we have got both the answers. So I'll be adding both the numbers. So 6 and 0. So 6 plus 0, because it's cross here, that means nothing is there. So 6 plus 0 is 6. Then 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. So I'll be writing here down. And 2 is only here. So I'll be writing this 2. That means the product of 23 multiplied by 12, it is equals to 276. I hope this first question is clear to you. So again we just revise the steps. First we have arranged the numbers according to their columns, and after that we just write the places above that. And after that what we have done, I have multiplied this 2 by 23. First by 3 and then by 2. Then the answer is in this column. And after that I have multiplied this 23 by this 1 and the answer is in this column. Now once I have multiplied both the numbers, So I will be adding it. I'll be adding both the things, both the numbers, and I have added, and this is the final product. So this is the product that we have got by multiplying it. Now let's consider the another number. That is 54 multiplied by 35. Now let's see how we can multiply this. So again, remember the steps. So first step is to arrange the numbers in the correct column. So that is 54. And here we'll be using multiplication symbol, and 3, 5, 35. Then we'll sketch a line, and at the top we'll be writing the correct places. Ones here and tens here. Now first I will multiply this 54 by this 5. So first I will multiply this 5 by this 4. So 5 4s are 20. So since it is 2-digit number, so 0 I will be writing down and 2 I will be writing here. It is as a carry. Then I have multiplied this 5 by this 4. So 5 4s are 20. 2 is here as carry and 0 is here. Then again with this 5 I will multiply this 5. So 5 5s are 25 plus 2 is 27. 2 7 27. After that down here I'll put a cross because now I have multiplied both the numbers by 5. So now it's a turn to multiply it by 3. So before, because 3 is at tens column, so I have crossed the ones place here. So now I'll multiply this 3 first by this 4. So 3 4s are 12. Again we have a carry. 3 4s are 12. So again I'll be writing 2 here and 1 again as a carry. So I'll be writing the second carry at the top. You can erase it also, or you can either cut or you can write at the top. Now 3 4s are 12. So 1 here as carry and 2 here down. Then 3 5s are, I will multiply this 3 by this 5. So 3 5s are 15 and this carry plus 1 becomes 16. So 1 6 16. Now I'll be adding both the numbers. So I'll be adding this. So 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 6, it is equals to 8. And here it is 1. So the product of 54 multiplied by 35 is 1890. So this is how we will do the multiplication and the questions in which carries is there. Okay, now coming to the last one, the C part. 38 multiplied by 26. So let's see how we can do this. So again remember the steps. So here I'll be arranging it in columns. So 38 I have written here, multiply 26. Then I'll sketch a line and at the top I'll be writing the places. So here ones and here it is tens. Now again, first I'll not look at this 2. I'll be only looking at this 6. So first I'll multiply this 38 by this 6. So first 6 8s are. So what is 6 8s are? 6 8s are 48. So 48, since it is 2-digit number, so 4 will be there as a carry and 8 I'll write down. Like we have done it before. Just like that, 6 8s are 48. So 4 is as a carry and 8 is here down. Now again, just leave this 2. Just focus on this 6. So we have multiplied this 6 by this 8. Now I'll multiply this 6 by this 3. So 6 3s are 18. 18 and this 4, we'll be adding this 4. So 18 plus 4 is 22. Now we have done 38 multiplied by 6 and the answer is 228. Now we'll be taking this 2 which is at the tens place. So since this 2 is at tens place, we'll be crossing this out, or we can write 0. In this we have put a cross, so in this I'll be putting a 0. You can do any. So I've closed here the ones place for this 2. So now I'll multiply this 2 first by this 8. So 2 8s are 16. So again 2-digit number. So 6 I'll be writing here, and 1 again I'll do as a carry. So this is for first digit carry. This is for the second digit carry. So 2 8s are 16. So 6 I have written here, and 1 I have written here as a carry. Now I'll multiply this 2 by this 3. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1, it is 7. Then I'll sketch a line and I will add both the numbers. So for adding I have used plus sign. So 8 plus 0, it is 8. Now 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. And 2 plus 7, it is 9. That means the product of multiplying 33 by 26 is 988. So I hope this is clear to you, that how we can multiply 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. So in that we just this step will be increased, yes, as compared to the previous one. So here we first do 2-digit by this one column, this 1 digit, and then in the second one I'll take this digit, crossing out this ones place, and then final we just add both the numbers to get the final product. So I hope this is clear to you all. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.